Yo, what is going on, guys? It is OrionX here, back at it with another video. Today I'm gonna work on getting this Seibon carbon fiber hood back on. I know I probably say that wrong every time. Seibon, Seibon, however you want to say it. But I do have a brand new hood somewhere back there because you guys know we had a defective problem with the last one. And I'm gonna go check it out. Actually, I noticed that from shipping, there was like a giant hole in the box, which isn't good to see considering what happened to the last one. I'll try to get to it here. Yeah, however that happened, I don't know. My parents were here when they dropped it off. I wasn't even home. But yeah, so let's hope that there's nothing wrong with that. I haven't even really bothered to open it. I looked at like the surrounding areas where that damage was and I didn't see any damage to the hood. But yeah, I didn't bother to open it because the garage is kind of cluttered right now and I don't even have room to put it. I'm not gonna have a lot of time today to do this, but I'm actually gonna go ahead and pop the hood now and start taking it apart. I'm gonna show you guys everything that you have to do in case you want to be doing this on your RCF or really any car. I mean, changing a hood isn't rocket science. First thing we're gonna do is go ahead, pop the hood and remove the windshield washer fluid lines, because the windshield, the washer cleaner things, where are they? There's one right here you guys can't see, and then there's another one on the other side of the same spot. And we have to pop out the pieces of plastic that the liquid sprays on the windshield with, and then we have to disconnect some hoses as well, and then put the new pieces of plastic in the new hood, and then actually we have to drill through the back side of the hood, put the hoses through, connect them to the pieces. It's not too confusing. I know it probably sounds crazy. So yeah, you guys will see, and let's get started. Oh, and if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button, drop a like on the video. If you guys are new, if you subscribe, you'll get notifications and stuff. Well, if you turn on the notifications, which obviously you will, you'll get notifications whenever I upload a new video. And also follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put the @ on the screen right here. It's RYFERRARO, that's it. So yeah, go check it out. All right, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna have to remove all of these things. I guess that I removed them and I actually lost a few. This is the only one really in. You're gonna have to remove this so that you can access to where the hose goes for the fluids and all. So yeah, just go ahead and do that. And now that I got those, there was actually one, two off. You can see that we can see behind it. You can see what we got going on. Here is the fluid hose. All you really have to do is just get like a screwdriver or something and just push from here forward, and these should pop out. You can see there's the hose. Now we just gotta pull these off the hose, which I need 2 hands to do, so I'm just gonna go do that off camera. All right, so I got both of them off, and I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's a little bit of excess glue on them from last time, like up here, because these do not fit in the Seibon hood like they do the OEM Lexus one. So you're gonna have to glue them in, and we're gonna have to shave down the hood. I remember last time I actually had to make these holes bigger in the Seibon one because they just would not fit in there, and I don't miss doing that because that was not fun at all. All right, so I got this perfect space here to open it. Okay, now what? Cut all these. Yeah, I'm gonna set the camera down, everybody, and just get this out and then show you. Okay, so we have relocated the hood. I had to carry it above me from over there. And just so you guys know too, this hood is not 100% carbon fiber, and it weighs just the same as the aluminum hood, if not more. But the underside is fiberglass and the top side is carbon fiber. This hood does come with hardware, which is right here. I think that's pretty much the same as the OEM hardware. All right, so the hood is all ready to be put on. I just need to take the other one off. We made all the necessary modifications, the holes we needed to make, the cuts that we needed to make. So I'm gonna show you guys now exactly what we needed to do now. Depending on, I guess, where your hood comes from, maybe they have different factories making these, but sometimes these holes will come pre-made. It's not even like a hole, it's kind of like a slit. All I did was I drilled through and then I used a grinder bit and just made it wider. Same thing on the other side. And then also we need a little hole right here so that one of our little sprinkler lines can clip into there. The clip that holds actually the windshield washer sprinkler lines goes into there. And we also need to make a hole right here so that we can feed the sprinkler line through, and then it'll connect to the clip in there. Same thing, we need to make another hole over there, and then it'll feed through to the other clip that sprays the washer fluid. The OEM hood obviously all comes with those. You can see there's a hole right there where the line is fed through. You know, a little bit of a nicer designed hole, but we'll make do with what we did. So yeah, honestly not too much work, but definitely had to make some modifications, and we are ready to put it on. Now we're gonna get to taking this hood off. Now I recommend before you take any type of hood off or on, put towels on the sides here, because you could end up dropping the hood one way, especially if you're trying to do it by yourself, which I'm probably gonna have my mom help me take it off once I get all the bolts loosened. It really just is a two-person job. It's all awkward angles and stuff, but put towels all along here. Same thing on the other side, so if you drop the hood, it doesn't mess up your paint. Also maybe on the top of the windshield right here. So we're gonna go ahead and set that up. All right, so we're all set up with our towels and ready to start taking apart the hood. Make sure you do this, guys. This is a very important step because all it really takes is one little slip and you could wreck your paint. So to take the hood apart, there's one bolt right here. There's another one and another one. And then same exact thing on the other side. So all it really is 6 bolts, and you're definitely gonna need another hand. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off what I can now. Yeah, just make sure you have somebody else with you to hold it when the sides get loose, because you don't want this thing crashing down on your car. All right, so my camera died during the time lapse of me taking the hood off, but sitting right over there, I had my mom help me lift it off. This hose here for the windshield washer fluid, you're just gonna wanna disconnect it from right here. This is where it was disconnected from. And all you're gonna wanna do is you have to feed this one through the hole that you made here, and then feed this one through the hole that you made here. And now all we're gonna have to do is just connect them onto the back of each of these.
There's one.
And now we're just gonna put these back how they were. That one snapped in. All right, now we're gonna throw the hood on. Just follow the same exact steps we took to take it off, only the 6 screws. And yeah, let's cue the time lapse. Okay, everybody, the carbon fiber hood is all the way back on. If you guys just saw the time lapse, my dad helped me with it. All it really was those 6 screws once again. Pretty easy with the help of somebody else. Now all we have to do is connect our sprinkler hose right here to right from where we unattached it, so that, you know, we can clean our windows and stuff when we need to. And that's probably going to be very hard to do with one hand. So can I do it? Yeah, no. Okay, let's just make it look like I did it. And boom, there it is. It took me a while to close the hood. I was just being really gentle with it, and I know you do need to like slam it for it to lock in, but I didn't want to slam it too hard and break something. I checked to make sure there was nothing in the way, and I just slammed it a little bit harder and it went down. The fitment on the other one, I mean, I didn't have any problems with closing it. I hope I don't have that every time. But yeah, it looks amazing. I really forgot how it even looked. I mean, I had it on the silver before, and it looked really good on the silver, but I mean, it's like every time that I put it back on, it just looks so much better. And we still have the front lip to add, which just really adds a lot of aggression to the front end. I just wanted to show you all a quick comparison from the Seibon carbon fiber hood to, you know, the Lexus carbon fiber that's on the roof and the spoiler. A little up close shot. The weave is honestly really nice. Seibon makes some pretty high quality products. Yes, it's not a full carbon hood, but I mean, it looks great and it fits fine. There's that. And then here's the Lexus carbon fiber. Honestly, looks almost identical. You can tell they're like, this weave is just like more squared. See like the little squares. And here's this one. But for the most part, I mean, can't complain for like a $1,200 hood. This is perfect. So if you guys did enjoy, make sure to subscribe, drop a like on the video, comment anything interesting down below, whatever you want to comment. Say this is clickbait, say that daddy bought me the car, I don't care. And make sure to follow me on Instagram. I put my @ on the screen earlier in the video, but it's gonna be down in the description as well. Thank you guys for watching once again. See you next time. Peace.